This website would normally cost $10 to $15,000 at a web agency, but I built the entire UI in minutes using Google Stitch with simple AI prompts. And this is not just a mockup creator. I will show you the exact workflow to move designs into Google AI Studio and turn it into fully coded working website. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go to Google Stitch website. Okay, Google Stitch is an AI tool created by Google which can easily convert text prompt into amazing looking UI designs for web app and mobile apps. Okay, so let's log into using our Google account. Okay, after that we will be able to put our prompt here. Okay, so we can create the website design mockups for app and website both. Okay, it has recently added Google Gemini 3 Pro model. Okay, let's go to Gemini in order to create the prompt. Let's try to create a minimal looking e-commerce website first. Okay, so let me the Gemini that give me an prompt for e-commerce website. Okay, so I am going to use Google Stitch to create a UI design for my website. Okay, so it's amazing guys. Your website design will not just sit there. You can simply import the design into Google AI Studio and make it to life. You can make your vision to the reality and send it to your prospect clients. Okay, so it's awesome guys. Let's copy the prompt and let's paste it into Google Stitch and let's select our model to Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, after that let's hit submit. We can select web or mobile app applications. Okay, so the Google Stitch has started its work. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, it generates 3 designs at a time. Okay, so it's creating our design. Awesome guys, it creates a minimal looking e-commerce website mockup. Let's view it. It's looking good overall. For the first run, the minimal looking design is looking awesome. We have option to toggle it between the desktop and mobile view. Okay, after that we have the option for zoom, pan and select tool as well. Okay, there is an option to download the design as well. I will show you guys in the next steps. Okay, so let's try some plumbing website business model this time. Okay, let me copy a website prompt for plumbing website. Okay, let's paste it into the Google Stitch and let's see how it goes. Okay, it takes 1 to 2 minutes to create these designs. Awesome guys, so the plumbing website is ready guys and it's looking amazing. We have 3 mockups this time and I like the first one very much. Okay, it has nice hero section with clear CTA and all the other icon sections. Okay, trust sections I guess. So it's looking amazing. Let's zoom in and view our website more closely. Okay, so the sections are looking good. Okay, the overall website design is looking amazing. So you are not just limited to, let's suppose you are on a Zoom meeting or a Google Discovery call, so you are not just limited to talking. Okay, you can simply save these kind of designs and send it to the clients. Okay, once they decide, you can simply make modifications in it. You can simply import the design into Google AI Studio. I'm going to show you next. Okay, and you can modify the project and you can send those to the clients. Okay, let's download the project. It's been downloaded into a zip file. Okay, it contains normally 2 files, an image mockup and the HTML code for the website. Okay, let's try to create some more designs. This time I'm going to create a gadget store design. Okay, so let me give the prompt that I want to have a gadget store design using Google Stitch. Okay, here is the prompt. Let's copy the prompt. Okay, let's go to Google Stitch. Let's paste our prompt and hit enter. Amazing guys, so it started its work. Amazing guys, so this time the designs are awesome. It's looking so premium with dark themed. Okay, I liked the first and last one very much. Okay, let's zoom in and check. Amazing guys, it had nice hero sections with product display catalogs. Okay, and a nice footer guys. Okay, you can see all of these designs are very professional looking and modern. Okay, amazing guys, check out this one. Okay, I like this one as well with a black and orange theme. Okay, amazing guys, we can download any of these designs and send it to our clients. Okay, so here are the few more designs I have created using Google Stitch. This is for rooftop business. Check out these guys. Okay, it's looking amazing with all the nice section, pixel perfect design, fully modern and professional. Okay, this one I have created for gym website. Okay, it's black themed and giving the professional vibes. We can do the necessary modifications. Okay, and this one is for the beauty salon. Okay, I like the second one very much in the beauty salon option. Okay, so the possibilities are limitless, guys. Okay, so let's move it to Google AI Studio and convert it into a real working prototype model. Okay, so let's click on export, and after that click on make this real. Okay, and after that we will click on build with AI Studio button, and it will simply import the design mockup image and HTML codes to our Google AI Studio. Okay, after that just simply click on the build button, and it will make our dream website to reality. Okay, so it will not be a prototype anymore, it will a live site. Okay, you can simply send it to any client you like. You can import or export this project to their live server. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. This is something big Google recently launched. Okay, the Google AI Studio integration and the Gemini 3 Pro model integration created a huge impact with Google Stitch. Okay, you can simply view the codes here. Okay, all of the HTML codes will be listed here. Okay, you can modify it however you like if you are a coder. Otherwise Google AI Studio is here. Okay, no need to fear, guys. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. Let's download the code and the image mockup for one of these websites. Okay, I have downloaded it. Let's extract the file. Okay, after extracting the file you will find two things. Okay, first is the image design mockups. Okay, you can send it to any clients you like. Okay, you can simply see every details are picture perfect and correct. Okay, it's not like other AI design tools with wrong information and wrong text data. Let's open our HTML file. Okay, great, guys. So we can see the website UI design live into our local environment. This is insane, guys. Okay, so the AI is everywhere and it's transforming people's lives and how web developers work so far. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, make sure to comment on it and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their AI website development journey with no code system. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.